Greetings!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami ng birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha! At you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times.
Happy birthday, Jones! We love you!
Ingat kayo dyan. God bless.
God bless! Happy birthday, Jones! Happy 39th birthday. Kasi magka-edit sila ni Ergin. Enjoy your special day. Surprise daw to. Masaya ako kasi gift ni Lord na meron kang trabaho ngayong birthday. Regards kay Cha, saka kay Sean. Ingat kayo dyan. God bless. Enjoy!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Jones!
Jones!
Happy birthday, Tito Jones!
Keisha.
Happy birthday, Tito Jones!
It's your birthday, Will.
I love you! Mom,
We miss you, Jones and Cha.
happy birthday, Tito Jones! God bless you! See you soon! Tito Jones! Tito Jones! Peace! Love you, Tito Jones! Happy birthday, Tito Jones! Happy birthday, Tito Jones! Happy birthday, Tito Jones! I wish you a great birthday. Have fun in your party. See you soon. Punta po kami dyan. Tito Jones, take seat. Ingat kayo yung pizza.
Thank you for everything.
Take for everything.
See you sa bakasyon nyo.
See you sa vacation na.
Kanta ka ulit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, thank you, Young. Happy birthday to Young. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Young. Happy birthday to Young.
What's your message? Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Tito John.
Thanks.
Take care.
Bye.
I love you.
Love you.
See you.
See you.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you for everything.
Hi Joms! Happy birthday! Congratulations pala sa bago mong work. Ingat kayo dyan palagi ni Cha. At God bless you always.
Hi, Jones. Tito Jones, happy birthday. Hope to see you soon. Always take care. God bless.
We love you!
Happy birthday, Jones! Patuloy kang pagpalain ng ating Panginoon. Mas marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. Salamat sa Lord at may work ka na. Dalangin ko pa rin na patuloy kang gabayan, proteksyonan ng ating Diyos na buhay at patuloy na pagpalain sa iyong work ngayon at sa mga darating pa na birthday mo, patuloy na kalakasan at maayos na kalusugan ang maranasan mo. Patuloy kang manalangin, pagkatiwala sa Panginoon ng buhay at sa hayaan na manguna sa iyo at hindi ang sarili natin, kundi patuloy tayo magtiwala sa Panginoon. Patuloy kang pagpalain ng Lord at enjoy lang. Happy birthday. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Bye!
Mabuhay, mapagpalang buhay, at mabiyaya sa tulong at gabay ng Panginoon. Surprise! Happy birthday anak no mula sa Pagkilang Rigger. Salamat sa Panginoon. nagkaloob ka na yung hinihiling mo. Pero ingat ka anak dyan lagi. Salamat at andyan si Cha sa tabi mo. Lagi kang kasama namin sa panalaan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Mula sa amin, sa pamilya ng River, God bless you and we love you very much. More birthday to come. Alam ko na pinagabayan ka ng Panginoon. Sa tulong at awa ng ating mahal ng Birhen Maria, lagi nila kayong gagabayan. Kasama si Sian. God bless you and we love you very much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Mama Mary loves you. Buhay. Love you.